Hello my beautiful viewers, welcome back to my channel Canny Maxter. I hope you all are doing well. Many people, basically outsiders, are asking me when they can go for Jagannath Darshan, as at present the darshan has been closed. Today in this video I am going to give an update on the important dates of Rath Yatra 2022 and brief you on the important rituals. Before moving forward, please to subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Watch the video till the end, like, share and do comment what you like and what you dislike in this video. Do follow me on Instagram at @CannyMaxter. So let's begin. As you all know, Rath Yatra is an annual chariot festival of Lord Jagannath held in Puri, Odisha. It is considered as world's largest car festival. In 2022, Jagannath Rath Yatra will start on July 1 Friday. That is on the Dutya, which is known as second day during the Ashada Shukla Paksha, based on the Hindu lunar calendar. Initial rituals of Rath Yatra start from Akshaya Tritiya and the last ritual of this auspicious yatra is Niladri Vijay. Chandan Jatra falls on Akshaya Tritiya. This year it was held on 3rd May. After Chandan Jatra comes Snana Purnima or Devasnana Purnima. It is the auspicious birthday of Lord Jagannath. Basically, it is a bathing festival of deities celebrated. It is the first festival when 3 deities are brought out. Netra Utshava and Nava Jauvana Darsana will be held on 29th of June. After the holy Snana Purnima, Lord Jagannath is said to catch cold and fever for a duration of 15 days. He is made to have homemade medicines and all the time takes rest in his court. No devotees are allowed to visit the Lord in the Jagannath temple during these 15 days. After the completion of 15 days, devotees are allowed to see Lord Jagannath. This year it is going to held on 29th of June. As I said, Nava Jauvana Darshana. Sri Gundicha Jatra or Ratha Jatra, that is on Friday 1st of July. Lord along with his siblings starts for the most pompous vacation to his aunt's place. Pahandi, the epic journey of Lord Jagannath, Balabhadra and Subhadra to their chariots or Ratha starts with an elaborate royal ritual called Pahandi. Literally going forwards in a step-by-step movement, devotees beating the Ghanta, Kahali and Telingi Baja. Hera Panchami is going to be held on 5th of July, that is Tuesday. It is celebrated at Gundicha temple on the 5th day from the start day of Ratha Yatra. Sandhya Darshan will be held on 8th of July, that is Friday. This event is performed a day before the Bahuda Jatra. Bahuda Jatra will be held on 9th of July, that is Saturday. The return of the gods from their aunt's place to the Puri Jagannath temple is known as Bahuda Jatra. This happens after 9 days of Gundicha Jatra. Sunna Besa will be held on 10th of July, that is Sunday. After the return, the chariots are kept in front of the Puri Jagannath temple, while preparations are made for a royal look of the gods. Sunna Besa is the form Lord Jagannath takes up along with his brother and sister. Adharapana will be held on 11th of July, that is Monday. In this day, the deities are offered a special drink on their Ratha. This drink is called Adharapana. Niladri Vijay will be held on 12th of July, that is Tuesday. Niladri suggests Lord Jagannath. Vijay means to enter. This is really interesting as it is all about the continuation of fight between Lord Jagannath and goddesses Lakshmi. Before entering the temple, the Trinity would be offered Rasagolla, Bhogo on the Ratha. With Niladri Vijay, the annual festival comes to an end. I would like to mention one thing here that dates are different every year. Dates will be different in the following future, but the process, the rules, and the rituals are the same. Jai Jagannath. Thank you for watching my video till the end. I hope you got a brief idea about the rituals of Lord Jagannath and you got to know about the dates of Rath Yatra 2022.